right.
Are they?
Look at them coming out here in that fantastic looking machine.
Here, let me add a little
rotor
spice
wings helicopter.
There we go. Rotating wings, that's how helicopters work. The wings go around and around, and of course, because it causes a great deal of torque, the counter-rotating little propeller at the back, rotor, and helicopter pilots have a handful, to say the least. Both hands busy, cyclic, throttle, the other hand on the stick, and their feet on the rotor pedals, and it's all a dance. There's no real quiet moments flying these things.
Up close and personal right here. Look at this.
Look at that.
Oh,
you can look right in there.
Look at it coming down the shoreline here. Remarkable.
This is how we look driving in from the hotel every morning, because I have them follow us just because.
Just because I'm driving. Look at I'm telling you, look at the rotor technology that's going into this and how quiet it is. That is really distinguished when it comes by, Rick. A noble flying machine, if you will.
Sponsored by Premier Health, CareFlight, and we've met the crew here, and they care about everything. They are just so plugged in. 1983, they completed their first patient transport from St. Mary's, Ohio, and became the 65th Air Medical Program in the county. And the first aircraft or helicopters. And now we see them with CareFlight Level 1 Trauma Team at any time, day or night, taken directly from the helicopter to an operating room, saving precious minutes when life hangs in the balance because of this technology, this asset. And we thank them for being here and looking after us. CareFlight, sponsored by Premier Health. I mean, they are never, ever really. They get the rarest opportunities to be out in front and to hear some appreciation for what they do on standby all the time, day and night.
Well, it
So
can
get
land
your hands
anywhere.
in the air, wave when they go by, and as they come in, give them a huge wave as a thank you for what they do, the important work they do, day in and day out. As soon as they settle down, they go right back to work looking after us. And again, you're right, Matt. Listen to how quiet that is. Retractable gear, and it's just, what a beautiful flying machine.
Oh, I heard it.
Wave.
There it is. Look at it.
Oh, you're gonna fly backwards now, because you can.
Well, and
a pirouette.
What a wide-bodied helicopter we're looking at there, too. I mean, it's a big machine.
The cool thing about these helicopters is, I mentioned they're a handful to fly, lots of technology to help, but the things they have to watch out for, when you think about it with a rotating wing like that, is settling with power. If you get below that rotating wing, it can actually push you down, because there's like hurricane force winds coming down under the wings as they rotate. It's a marvel, it really is. Somebody came up with that. Somebody came up with the technology, some of the great Americans, of course, the people like that went through this huge, and whatever's coming next with these tilt rotors, and there's so much technology and advancement with this type of thing, with the drones that we see today, and somebody out there today who's going to be inspired, as you pointed out off the top, is going to design it.
That's right. We need more engineers. We need more kids to get excited about this stuff. You want to be an influencer, influence society as an engineer, as a scientist, as someone that's going to help us get off this rock. How long does the sun have left, Rick? What, like a billion years or whatever they forecasted?
Depends on what you read online.
Days. We need some kids out there to get excited about this stuff. How cool are all of these NASA missions that we've seen? I mean, this is the stuff that gets folks excited. And today, if you are getting